lady, she blows my mind away. But the feeling is mutual, both ways. One word, immaculate, and I don't speculate. The progeny of this great destiny place you high in the vicinity of my heart. On a pedestal, I adore thee. Circling you like a bee around a flower. Make loves on the couch, but I never touch. Not that I don't want to get physical, but first, let's get mental, theological. She takes me through passages of the Quran. Teach me about Muhammad in Medina. Then go for a walk, mind connecting the talk. Share some vegetable juice, right nutrition. Summer night, hands interlock. Our lips unite, taste, moan, sweat, smirk, waist, birthmark, climax. As I stroke you intellectually, revealing the truth of life nakedly. Deep in your eyes, looking at your soul, ciphering your codes, stimulating and thought-provoking, roller coasting with the vibration. She squeezed my hand as I get deeper and deeper and deeper. Haitian sensation, I'm lost in her oasis, admiring her symmetry. Lady, 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 you blows my mind away, but the feeling is mutual.